Assalamualaikum and hi. I am Idul Hakim bin Saiful and we are from team Smart O, group 12, which is our motto is Anda percaya, Anda berjaya. So we are going to present a Better Snack tournament, which is our assignment, right? For next slide, I'm going to present our team, which is first me, Idul Hakim, expertise in video editing. Second, Fadlin, expertise in documentation. Hazim, expertise in slide presentation. Cik Akil, expertise in Python coding. Same with Cik Akil. Nabil Fikri also expertise in Python programming. So for Pias, we have five, which is first agent type battle snake game. Agent type, which is battle snake game. Second, performance, represent the state of snake on the grid, including head, body, tail position, which is X and Y. For environment, the dynamic game board containing obstacle like walls, other snake, and food. And for actuator, action influencing the game state. Commonly, our function determine the snake movement, like move up and move down. For sensors, gather information about the game state, such as position of other snake, food, and hazard. Alright. So for next slide.
So I will proceed for the first challenge, which identifying the game and create a better snake AI. So for the first step, we need to log in the better snake and click read the docs. Just like in the left picture, we read the docs. For the second step, click on the quick start and we can watch the video that given. For the third step, click on the starter project and choose Python as our project programming. For the fourth step, click on the use template and also rename this as starter snake Python and add the description. For the step 5, click on the run and wait until finish. And then click to the new tab and copy the URL address. Step number 6, go to the My Better Snake and fill the information and paste the URL to the server URL. After that, after finish, click on Save Better Snake. To create a custom game, we need to go to create game and select Better Snake and adding to the game. So step number 8, simply click and start game to pop up the game board. And step number 9, so based on the picture or the left side, to make the snake move, just click play for one step forward or backward. So for the last challenge 1, so this is our snake. If you've seen in the left picture, it is not doing well. It keep hitting the walls. So it's very poor. And that's why we give the solution to the challenge 2. And we will proceed to the challenge 2.
Okay, for the challenge 2, after we saw the previous project, we can see the snake is keep hitting the wall. So for the challenge 2, we try to solve the problems by modify the coding back. Okay, as you can see, right now the snake able to dodge the walls, so the snake will not die lah. So but as you can see, the snake still die because he's still eating himself. So that will solve at the challenge 3.
Dia Ferris.
Okay, for the solution step, we modify the coding by adding the board height and board width. By adding this command, the snake able to know where the height and the width of the board, which is either the 11 by 11 or 5 by 5. And at the bottom of the coding, when the snake able to know the distance between him and the walls, we can give the command to choose the suitable direction to avoid the walls depends on what walls is facing. Okay, for the challenge 3, as we can see, the snake before is eating himself, which is their tails or their neck. So for this challenge, we use modify the coding to avoid his hitting himself lah. Okay, as you can see right now, the snake is not eating himself again and not hitting the walls. So, but for this challenge, we see we can improve a little bit by increasing the defensive side of the snake by avoiding the other snake, which is if we adding more snake, the snake will not facing towards the other snake. But surely right now I want to show the challenge 3 how I solve this problem. Okay, for the solution step, by redefining this command, which is my head and my neck, the snake not only know where his head, but is next to. So for the bottom side of the command, this command tells the snake don't move their head at the direction of their tail, which is not eating himself. So when the snake head facing towards the tail, it will automatically avoid that by choosing another direction.
Now we will proceed with challenge 4, which is avoid the beta snake. So as you can see in the video, you can see the snake try to avoid each other. Okay, now the snake has brain, so the snake try to dodge the enemy. So which snake that lasts longer, it will win. So to do this step, we add the command bot and snakes. So the snake can detect the snake coming across the bot. So we need to also declare the snake as our opponent. Next we will do challenge 5, which is the snake try to move towards foot. Okay, as you can see in the video, the snake can move and defend itself. So after upgrade our defense, we also need to be aggressive. So the snake is upgraded, so it can eat the food that is scattered across the board. So to add the step, we need to add the game state, bot and food. So when we add this command, the snake can detect the food that is spawning across the board. So there are also commands that will show the range of food that is near to the snake head. So the snake can find the food from the start of the game until the end.
Right. So this is our progress team. From week 9 to week 14. For week 9, we have done challenge 1, and week 10, challenge 2, week 12, challenge 3, 4, and 5 are started and finish completely at week 13. And for week 14, we are done submitting Battle Snake AI project submission.